leave my phone for house, so child. So see my wife no go carry and call the check all the things say I dey chat with her.
Why are you running?
Why they run like this now?
My phone dey house. I no put password, and my girlfriend dey house. I no mean she go see all those things beside the chat with all those babes.
So the reason why they run like that?
Yes, yeah, why they run? I go collect her before she go catch me.
Small, make you no go kill yourself.
Hear God. How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
What do we hear of this?